Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So if you're also running a rainwater harvesting consultant business, then this video is definitely for you. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rainwater harvesting consultant business. So firstly, in this video, we are going to create a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to collect leads, share information and book appointments for your customers, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rainwater harvesting system consultant. So this chatbot is going to book consultations, send site details and get cost estimation through their WhatsApp. And this will help you to save your time by reducing your manual workload and help you to stay connected with your customers. So let's start creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. But firstly, I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account named as XYZ Rainwater Harvesting Consultant. So now let's send a message hello here. As soon as I am entering hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ Rainwater Harvesting Experts. I am Rainbot. How can I assist you today? As I am sending the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ Rainwater Harvesting Experts. I am Rainbot. How can I assist you today? And here we are getting three buttons that is book consultation, send site details and get cost estimate. So now let's click on book consultation and see what will this button provide us. So as I am selecting book consultation, I am getting a message which is asking me for the full name, city, location, preferred date and time and phone number. So now let's enter these details here. Here you can see as I'm providing the details name, city, preferred date and time and phone number, I am getting an automated message that is thanks, our consultant will contact you shortly. So now let's enroll to our another button that is send site details and see what will this button provide us. As I'm clicking on send site details, I am getting a message which is asking me for some of the details of the site. For that, firstly I am going to enter these details and at the last I am going to upload a photo of the site in this message. Here you can see I have typed the details and now I am going to attach an image to this. So here you can see I am having an image named site. So now I am going to select and send it. So now let's send this image. So here you can see as I have sent it this image and the details, I am getting a message that is got it. This will help us prepare better for your consultations. So now let's enroll to our third button that is get cost estimate. So here as I am selecting get cost estimates, I am getting a message which consists of the cost based on roof areas. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. You can also create a chatbot like this for your rainwater harvesting consultant business by using Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly and here you can see we are getting two buttons that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free. But if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number and here on this add WhatsApp number button, we are getting two options that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node, and here on this flow start node it is asking me to enter the keywords, enter the regex, or to choose the template. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter for the interaction with this chatbot. Now the next one we are getting is regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input, but if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now here we are getting the option for choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now here you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So you can provide a name to your flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for rainwater harvesting consultant business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node. If user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi product message, and templates. Now for entering the message we just have to select text plus button. Once you will select text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customers. So now let's enter a message here. So here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and I have entered this name XYZ Rainwater Harvesting Experts between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to create some buttons in this message node. For that I will just click on add button, and here you can see it is asking me to enter the text. So here we have to enter the text of our first button. So here the first button I have created is book consultation. You can create many more buttons like this. So just click on add button and enter the text of your buttons. Now I am going to create some more buttons like this. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is send site details and get cost estimate. Now if a user selects book consultation, I want to ask them about some of the details. For that I will just go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So just click here. Once you will select on ask question, you will get this question node, and here you can enter the question or the message you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this book consultation button with this question node, and here we can enter the message or the question we want to ask from our customers. So now let's enter the message here. Here you can see I have entered a message for my customer asking full name, city, location, preferred date and time, and phone number. Now here it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just select it and create your own fields. Now here I am going to select contact custom field as details, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user replies to this question, I want to send them a confirmation message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. So just select it and enter the message you want to send to your customer. Now let's enhance our send site details button. For that I will go to actions, and here I am going to select ask media because I want to ask some question from my customer and need image of the site. So now let's connect this send site details button with this question node, and now here I am going to enter the message or the question I want to ask from my customer. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the type of property, roof area, water uses purpose, and upload site of the photo. Now let's select contact custom field as description here, and the media type I am going to select is image because I need to receive the image. And here you can see it is asking for the number. This is the number of attempts you want to provide to your customers for entering the answer. Now if the user provide answer and image of the site, I am going to send them a thank you message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I have already told you that for entering a message we just have to select text plus button. So just select it, and here I am going to enter a message. Here you can see I have entered a message for my customer if they answer this question. Now let's enhance our flow and provide cost estimate options to our customers. So I have already told you you can select text plus button for entering the message. Now I am going to enter cost estimate in the form of message here. Here you can see in this message node I have entered the cost estimate. So here you can see we have successfully created a flow for creating our chatbot. You can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving this flow we just have to click on save button. Once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you just have to click on inbox here. This inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. Now here you can see I am successfully receiving message from this number and our automated replies are successfully sent to them. And one point is to be noted that it is following the path which we have created through our flow. That firstly, if a user sends us a message, we will send them an automated welcome message. And now if the user select book consultation, then we are going to ask about their details. So here you can see we have successfully created a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.